In this video, I'll show 3 different ways how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A05 as well as A15. So let's start first with if you have full access to the settings and you can use the phone as normal. Then also in the later video, I will show you how to do it if your phone is faulty in some way and you can't access your settings. Also a way if your phone is security locked with a pin button and you basically need to unlock it. So first, let's go to settings here and scroll all the way down till we see this general management here. Okay, click on that and we scroll down. You can see a reset option here. Then also, if you want the second way, you can also click on about phone, and at the bottom it will show a reset link as well, basically here. And you can see different reset options here. So if you don't want to do a full factory date reset, you can also choose to reset only some individual settings. However, full, click that, and this process will basically delete all your data, all your music, pictures, all your Google accounts and stuff like that. So this will be pretty much a brand new phone. So to go ahead, click reset if you're sure you want to do that. Okay, so what if your phone is faulty in some way and you can't get access to the settings? Then first make sure your phone is turned off, and what we are going to do to get access to the reset menu is we are going to hold the upper button or upper volume button here and the power button at the same time. Okay, click and hold both at the same time and keep holding them. I'm holding the upper volume and power button. Okay, and we were able to get in the Android recovery menu basically. And then with the volume down button, we can cycle to wipe data factory reset if you want factory reset. So confirm it with the power button and cycle again to factory data reset and click the power button again. So what if there is some kind of security on your phone? So let's say you are at this screen and you don't know the PIN code or password and you can't really do anything. And you need to recover basically the phone. The way you do it again is by hard resetting the phone. Or if we try to turn off the phone, nothing at all happens really, right? So we actually need to force restart it basically. And the way we do it is by holding the volume down button and the power button at the same time. And once it's done, we are quickly going to jump to holding the upper button and power button. Okay, I'm holding the lower and power, and keep holding, ignore this basically, and keep holding. Okay, jump to holding the upper button and power on button basically, and keep holding the same as previously. Okay, and as you see, we get access to that same menu where we can wipe data, factory reset again. So yep, this is how I do on that pretty much all Samsung A series Galaxy phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.